Today we are at the Dolphin Car Wash on Washington Street next to Safeway. We are getting our car washed, and we're taking this from the car's perspective. A car wash from the car's perspective is seeing what's happening from inside and enjoying what's happening on the outside. Enjoy! This is the car wash from the car's perspective. We know that there's lots of soap and Clyde, and then we come along very shortly to the spray off of the initial soap, which is going to take the bulk of the grime off, and then the little fuzzy strips that are going to wipe the car down and take the rest of the dirt off. They usually wipe my mirrors out at the same time, but that's okay. Oh yeah, we're getting them now. Here's the brushes that whip down the sides and clean you. Now they're throwing the wax on, and the chamois that'll rub back and forth, spreading it around. Yeah, they're cleaning it off. Ooh, there goes the other car ahead of me. Now they're washing this off, getting the final wax onto it. Pretty soon it'll start blowing. The blowers are going to blow all that water off and make it so that we've got a nice clean car. Boy, they're really blowing. See the wipers flipped up? And so there we go. Now we'll just go back over here and make sure our mirrors are locked into place. We was at the Dolphin Car Wash at and about 104th. Today in Thornton, it's actually at about 98th, and it looks like they did a pretty darn good job. Now all we gotta do is head on. We've been at the Dolphin Car Wash today on Washington Street at about 98th Avenue. We have gotten a nice car wash. If you have a business that is in need of promotion, a video such as this can be very good for you. We put them on Google, Yahoo, and YouTube, as well as several other video sites. I also offer advertising on CarCareColorado.com. Ads start as cheap as $75 per year, and that's for a 2-inch by 2-inch ad. We can do a 2-inch by 4-inch ad for only $125 per year, and if you need to link back to your website, we can do that for an additional $30 per year. Be sure to give Phil a call at 720-988-9046, where we can get together with you and decide what type of a promotional system we can offer for you. We can offer you small ads, large ads, links back to your website, and now we can offer you video. Be sure to give us a call. The sooner you start promoting, the sooner people will see you. Thank you very much for your watching.